Have you ever wondered how you can earn money online without making an initial financial investment? It may sound like a far-off dream, but it's closer to reality than you might think. There are several ways to turn your time and talent into tangible income, even without an upfront monetary commitment. Here are some of them. First up is freelancing. This is a broad category that encompasses a wide range of skills and services. Whether you're a graphic designer, a software developer, or a virtual assistant, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr can be your gateway to clients around the world. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to work on your own terms at your own pace. Next is content creation. This can be anything from starting a blog, launching a YouTube channel, or even hosting a podcast. Once you've built up a substantial following, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. What's key here is providing value to your audience and consistently producing engaging content. Thirdly, consider participating in paid online surveys. Various companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products or services. While this may not make you a millionaire overnight, it's a simple and straightforward way to earn some extra cash. Fourth on the list is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. It's a great way to make money if you have a large online following or a website with high traffic. Fifth is selling your products on online marketplaces. Websites like Etsy or eBay allow you to reach a global customer base. Whether you're selling handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothes, or digital downloads, these platforms can provide you with the exposure you need. Sixth is remote work. As more and more companies transition to remote work, opportunities for online jobs that offer a salary or hourly wage are increasing. This can range from customer service roles to data analysis positions. Last but not least is content writing. If you have a knack for writing, there are numerous clients and websites willing to pay for articles, blog posts, or ebooks. You can find these opportunities on content marketplaces or by reaching out directly to companies. In summary, there are plenty of ways to earn money online without making an initial financial investment. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, participating in online surveys, affiliate marketing, selling on online marketplaces, remote work, or content writing, the opportunities are vast. However, remember that while you can start without a financial investment, achieving success often requires time, effort, and skill development. So, get started today and pave your way to online income.